morning, ma'am.
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am. Good morning. Okay, children. Yesterday I gave you a few fill in the blanks and question answers, right? True, false, and all. So we had just discussed the first question. Can you hear me, all of you? There is no signal. मैम डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया ना? Yes. Now can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we discussed only one question yesterday. We are left to discuss the other two.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just read out the next question. Who is going to read out the next one? Utsav Gangwar. Read out the next question, beta. Let's check all the answers.
Question 2. First, framing. Tell the
Yes, beta, tell the answers also.
Answer B. Chadar Bhuvan of Assam. True. Fourth. Answer 5. British.
Beta, I cannot hear anything. Maybe because my signals are too weak. I just don't know what is being done.
Ma'am, can I be?
Pratishtha, okay, you try, Pratishtha.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, with question number 2.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you hear me properly?
Yes, beta, read out. Just read out.
State true and false. First one is Madhubani is famous painting style of. Ma'am, this question statement is true.
Very
Ma'am, the
nice.
second is Chiro is a dance from Tripura. Ma'am, this is false.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
the third is Meghna Chadar is worn by the women of Assam. This is true. Ma'am, then the fourth is Meghalaya means abode of snow. Ma'am, it is false. Ma'am,
Yes.
Meghalaya means abode of clouds.
Very good.
Fifth one, the wettest place in the world is Mozianram. Ma'am, it is true.
Very good. Okay, everybody has marked. The answers spoken by Pratishtha were all correct. So if anyone has made any mistake, beta, please just rectify the mistake and learn it like this only. Show me a thumbs up. Can we move on to the next question now?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I now?
Beta,
I'm
wait.
confused in one thing.
You are what, doing one thing? Pratishtha. Okay, you are confused in one thing. Say, beta. Yes.
Okay, ma'am, in one. So, ma'am, the first statement is famous dance of Punjab. So, ma'am, there are two famous dance of Punjab. Ma'am, we can write any of. Ma'am, we can write both.
You can also write both. You can write any one of the two. Your answer will be correct. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anshuman, just try to speak. Let me check if I can hear you properly.
Ma'am, question number 3.
The next question. What was the next question?
Question number 3. Name them. First, famous dance of Punjab. Bhang.
Very good.
Second,
Famous dance, Bhangra.
famous dance of Assam. Bihu.
Very nice.
Food of Bharat. Litti Chokha. Famous lake of Manipur. Lote.
Very nice.
Traditional embroidery of Punjab. National Territory. Delhi.
Very nice. Wonderful.
Done.
Done, no? So all are correct answers.
Capital Territory.
Okay. All
Thank
those
you,
who
Anshuman.
have, if anyone has made any mistake, please rectify it and learn it like how Anshuman answered every question. All the answers were correct. Is it fine with all of you? Now let's move on to the next part. For the next part, I'm typing again a few questions in the chat box. So everybody be ready with your copies and your pencils. Meanwhile, if you want to make any correction, children, make it. By the time I'm typing new questions. Can you hear me? Is my voice coming smoothly or it's cracking, breaking in between? Oh no. Yes. Yes, beta, say.
From that page only. Ma'am, we have to start from that page only.
Yes, yes. Continue from that page only.
Okay.
Who is this? Mute yourself, Pratyush Pal.
Ma'am, what will be the heading?
Revision test, beta.
No, ma'am, I am asking that the first you have, ma'am, for the first question you have given fill in the blanks. Ma'am, like this, what will be the heading?
Answer the following.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, beta, yes. Beta, just type in the chat box because I'm not being able to understand a single word. Okay, there are 5 questions in the chat box. In this class, we are going to do these 5 questions. If there'll be time left, I'll add on a few more.
Ma'am, only answers.
No, questions
ma'am,
also.
question.
Beta, questions also. You will revise all this before your exam, no? Now, all of you, one by one, section wise, start calling out your names for attendance. First, let's start with section C today.
Ma'am, Utsav. Ma'am, Iram not present.
Ma'am Lakshita Gangwar.
Okay, next.
Ma'am Anshuman.
Ma'am
Okay.
Krishna Jaiswal.
Jaiswal present.
All
Ma'am
right.
Krishna Jaiswal.
Okay, beta.
present.
Okay. Iram, Prasun, Krishna, Utsav, Anshuman, Lakshita, Kushagr, Jayesh, and Dev. Am I missing anyone from 4th C?
Ma'am Ashwin.
Ashwik. All right. From section B, I will call out if I miss. Okay, Apurva Thakur is also missed from C section. Apurva Thakur. I'm calling out section B students.
We will go to
Divyang, Samar, Divyanshu, Avni, Mehul, Akshat, Anjali, Pratishtha Singh, Adrika Gupta, Samar Verma. Anyone else from section B?
Ma'am, I can tell one thing.
Sorry, not Gupta.
What?
Ma'am, Adrika Johari, not Gupta.
Oh, Adrika Johari, right. Anyone else? Okay. Now section A. Arjun Shaurya, Apurva, Advika, Krishav, Noel, Tanmay, Pratyush, Pratishtha Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Anyone else?
Advika present. Karthik present.
Karthik, all right.
Ma'am
Arif, okay.
Krishna.
Noel Sahai.
Noel, I have called out your name, beta.
Ma'am, we will come to school to give our test.
Yes. Are you not excited?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I am excited.
Yes, but few of you.
Ma'am, because after 1 year, I'm gonna explore.
Yes, everyone, each one of us.
I am excited.
Very good, very good. Don't be scared at all about your exams, okay? Don't feel nervous. Just be very confident, come and give your exams. Nothing is going to be wrong. Don't think that you'll not be able to give your exam
Ma'am,
or
what is the
anything.
timing of it?
Beta timings will be, I think 9 to 12. They are still not confirmed, but most probably your exam will be held in these morning hours only. Most probably. Don't take it as a confirmed statement. Okay? If anyone has joined late, I'm resending all the questions. Please note down all the questions. Do it in your copy like how we did it yesterday. Now daily we are going to do this work.
first can I write like this, ma'am? First, I'm writing questions, and ma'am, after the questions, can I write the answers?
Beta, see, I don't have any problem if you write it like this. But when you are going to revise for your exam, then it will be a problem for you. So I would suggest you to write questions and answers together.
Ma'am, can you resend?
Yes, Beta. I'll just resend. Wait. Just type in the chat box and tell what you're saying because I can't understand.
Ma'am, Anshuman is saying that, ma'am, he has also sent.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Beta.
Ma'am, I have a
Yes, ask.
ma'am. In our exam, chemistry, ma'am, there is map, and ma'am,
Yes, you will get a map to do. Now on that map, you might be asked to mark anything which is very general we have done in these chapters from chapter 15 to chapter number 17. Like suppose there are plateau regions, there are different states, the northeastern states, the desert states, the southern states, any of these things will be asked.
okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very nice, very quick.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Ma'am, I have also done.
Okay, 5 more minutes and then we are going to discuss these 5 questions. And with the leftover time, I'm just going to ask you a few questions orally.
Ma'am, I have a question that, ma'am, in our final exam, ma'am, oral exam will also be there.
No, beta. Everyone has done?
Ma'am, please wait for me. Ma'am,
Okay.
I'm the last question.
All right. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
This, shall we begin?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, please wait. I got disconnected. So, ma'am, I have not done questions.
Okay, hurry up and do it. 2 more minutes.
Ma'am, can you send the
Yes?
Ma'am, I have done full work.
Very, very good. Very nice.
Ma'am, this time any question is not left. Ma'am, I know all the answers.
Very good. Very nice. Okay, so the first question is, on which river is the Hirakud Dam built? So I want this answer. Shh. Did I ask you? Yes. Who is going to answer? Krishav Sahani. Krishav Sahani will answer. The question
On river.
on which river is the Hirakud Dam built? On which river is it built?
Ma'am, on river Mahanadi.
Ma'am,
Very nice. Very nice.
Mandhi river. Ma'am,
Mahanadi. Beta, it's
river.
Wait, Tanmay. Mahanadi. The name of the river is Mahanadi. Hirakud Dam is built on Mahanadi River. Okay. The second one. Where are the diamond mines located? Name the place and the state, both.
Can I tell?
India. India.
India, very nice. Who is saying India?
Ma'am, please.
Okay, Ashwik will tell.
Ma'am, the question, please repeat. Ma'am, the question, please repeat.
Everybody mute yourself. Karthik, the question is, where are the diamond mines located? Name the place and the state. Those who were not there in the class while the questions were given, please note down the questions once again. I'm resending them. Okay, Ashwik,
Ma'am,
go on.
I have already said. The diamond mines are located in Panna in Madhya Pradesh.
Very nice. The diamond mines are located at Panna in Madhya Pradesh.
Ma'am, it is at Panna or ma'am, it is at Patna.
Panna, beta P-N-A. It's not Patna. Patna is in Bihar. We are talking about Madhya Pradesh. The diamond mines are located at Panna in Madhya Pradesh.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody, I know there are many students who have not written this answer. All of you write this answer. Those who have not written.
Ma'am, I write.
Ma'am, I have written.
I have also written.
Bhavishya, Pratyush Gaur, Akshat Sahu, Divyank Premi. All of you, just write down this answer. Avni.
Ma'am,
Yes, Samar, say. What, Samar? I can't understand, Samar. Type it in the chat box.
I have written the diamond mine.
Samar, say it, beta. Or type it in the chat box. Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I can hear you.
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you, but not Summer.
Yes, even I can't hear Summer. Okay, next is Summer, mute
Ma'am,
yourself.
I can hear the-
Summer, mute yourself, write in the chat box. Which two plateaus are there in the Central Highlands? So, in the
Ma'am, can I
Central Highland part, on the right and on the left, there are two plateaus. What is the name of those two plateaus? Who is
Ma'am,
going
can
to
I tell?
answer? Abhimanyu Srivastav.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, me.
ma'am, the Malwa Plateau and the Deccan Plateau.
No. Deccan Plateau comes towards the south of
Ma'am,
India.
Ma'am, Chota Nagpur.
Yes, beta, in the Central Highlands.
Plateau.
I am muting all of you. I am muting all of you. Just wait. There is so much
Malwa
chaos.
Plateau.
There is so much chaos in the class because you can't control yourself. You people just go on speaking and speaking. Now I will only give permission to the one I want any student to speak. Only that student will get permission to unmute himself. Okay, Abhimanyu Srivastav, you can unmute yourself. Okay. Say, which are the two plateaus that lie in the Central Highlands?
Ma'am, the Malwa Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau.
Yes. And where is the Deccan Plateau?
Ma'am, in the south.
Yes. The southern plateau, the southern India is all Deccan Plateau region. Okay, everybody. Now, if you have written wrong, please make this correction. Next question. Abhimanyu, mute yourself. Next question. Where are the Lakshadweep Islands located? All of you, if you want, whosoever wants to answer, put your video on, raise your hand, and I will choose. There are many students who are sitting with their videos off. Okay, Prasun Gangwar. I will unmute Prasun Gangwar. Yes.
Ma'am, Lakshadweep Islands are present in Arabian Sea.
Very good. They are located in the Arabian Sea. Now mute yourself, beta. Then, the last question, why are festivals important? Who will answer this question? Why are festivals important? Why can't I see many hands in this answer? Children, are my signals fine?